MB tutorial. Today in this video we are solving linear equation in two variables by using elimination method. At first we have to know what is linear equation in two variable. For this if I say find two numbers whose sum is 14, whose sum is 14. If I take this two number as x and y variable, and for first number we take x and second number we take y, and sum of their value is 14. So now what are the values of x and y? It may be 2, and for y it may be 12, 3, and 11, 8, 6. So many values we can find. Similarly, if I say find two number whose sum is, so whose difference is 2. So and for this the equation may be x minus y equal to 2. This is the linear equation in two variable. X plus y equal 14 and x minus y equal to 2. Now what are the values of x and y? It may be 2 or 0, it may be minus 2, and it may be minus 4, it may be 8, 6. So many values we can write. If I say find the value of x and y, find two number whose sum is 14 and difference is 2. At that time we will take two equations at a time. So how will you find it? This is the not right process, finding the value of x and y. It may take a long time. So finding this value of x and y in both the cases, we have some methods. There are 4 methods of solving. Methods are method of elimination, method of substitution, method of cross multiplication, method of graphical method. So we have already learned about graphical method. Today in this video I am going to solve this method, elimination method. Two linear equations, we have to eliminate one variable out of these two variables. So let us eliminate the variable x. Before that we make it equation 1 and it equation 2. Okay. Now here the coefficient of x is 3 and the coefficient of x in equation 2 is 2. So to make both are equal, we need to multiply here 2 and here 3. Okay. So equation 1 multiplied by 2 will get 6x plus 4y equal to 22. Okay. Similarly, equation 2 multiplied 3 will get 6x plus 9y equal to 12. Now the coefficients of x are same. To eliminate this term, we need to subtract here. By subtracting, the sign changes. Plus becomes minus. Here plus become minus. Here plus become minus. Now these two terms are eliminated. 4y minus 9y, 5y. Here 22 minus 12, 10. So y is equal to 10 by 5 minus 5 equal to minus 2. Now substituting this value y equal to minus 2 in the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2, we will get. Now substitute this value in equation 1, 3x plus 2 into minus 2 equal 11. So 3x equal 11 plus 4. So x is equal to 15 by 3 equal to 5. Okay, note down these problems. You have to do it in your copy. I am not going to solve all these questions, just I am giving you some hints so that you can do it easily. Here the first question is here, x plus 2y equal to 140, 3x plus 4y equal to 360. So how to solve it easily? You can eliminate a y term, either y term or x term, but it is easy to eliminate x term. Okay, because in the first equation here coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of in second equation coefficient of x is 3. So multiplying 3 in equation 1, you can easily eliminate the x term and you get answer very quickly. Okay. In question 2, 1 by 2x minus 1 by y equal to 1 and 1 by x plus 1 by 2y equal to 8. Here you can solve it by taking 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y equal to b. Okay, by substituting these values in equations, we get u by 2 minus b equal to 1 and solving it u minus 2b equal to 2. This is your equation 1, and second equation becomes u plus b by 2 equal to 8, and solving this 2u plus b equal to 8. This is equation 2. Now you can easily equating the coefficients, either b or u, you may get an answer. Okay, and the third question is 217x plus 131y equal to 913, and so questions. The calculation may be large and it may be lengthy, so we can easily solve it by adding this two number. We get another equation. So adding this two equation, we get 348x plus 348y equal to 740, and solving it, get x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, 5. Similarly, adding and subtracting these two equation, will get 86 minus 86y equal to 86, and solving it, x minus y is equal to 1. So equation 3, equation 4 is this is equation 1 and 2. Okay, so now you can solve these two equations and you can find easily the value of x and y. Okay, and the fourth question is, here 3 variables are here and 3 equations are. You can find it by putting the value of z in equation 2. At first take this equation 1 and equation 2, equation 3. Okay, from equation you can find the value of z. So from equation z, equation 3, z is equal to x minus 10. Now substitute this value in equation 2. By putting this value in equation 2, we get y minus x minus 10 is equal to 6, and solving it, y minus x plus 10 equal to 6. So minus x plus y equal to minus 4. This is equation 4. Now you can solve these two equations by elimination. In elimination method, you can eliminate any of one variable and you will find the answers. Okay. solving all the problems yourself in your copy. Tally your answer with my answer. Here I am writing your the answers. I have written this answer, and you can match this answer. I hope you all understand better this method of elimination. Thank you.